Ayan, good day everyone. Welcome to our mini house tour dito sa ating napakagandang Linea model na single attached. By the way, this is located on several locations. We have this in Naik, Cavite, General Trias, Cavite. We also have this in Batangas and then Porac, Pampanga. For as low as 15,000 monthly depending on the location, magkakaroon ka na ng sariling bahay. So tara, tingnan natin yung unit. Ayan, so ito yung harap ng ating bahay. As you can see, malaki yung space dito na pwede mong gawing garden kagaya ng ginawa dito sa ating model unit. Ayan, malawak siya. And then, dahil nga single attached tayo, meron tayong additional space dito sa gilid. Ayan, so napakalaki ng space dito. Pwede mo siyang parkingan ng kahit dalawang kotse, no? So provision siya for 2 cars. Then, mag-extend yan hanggang dun sa property line mo, which we can extend as well. Pwede mo siyang gawing dirty kitchen. Ang kagandahan kasi dito sa ating Linea model, pwede mong expand yung property mo. Dahil nakikita nyo naman, malaki ang ating units. Ang typical lot area dito is 100 square meters, no? Pero may mga mas malalaki pa talagang units depending on the location. Pwede mong i-design yung sarili mong bahay, depende sa design na gusto mo. So, tara tingnan natin yung loob. So this is the interior. By the way, the turnover of our Linea model is bear type, no? So this is just the model house. Ito yung pwede nyo gawing inspiration kung paano i-design yung sarili yung bahay. So this will be the living area. Pero sa turnover natin, meron na talaga siyang sliding door dito. And then we also have here our toilet and bath. So this is the toilet and bath dito sa ating first floor and we have another toilet and bath din sa second floor. So ito naman, ang ating kitchen area, tignan nyo naman ang ating model unit, di ba? Napaka-elegante ng design. So yan, napakalawak nito. So yan, ito yung example nila. Meron ditong cabinets. And then ito, yung additional space. So tara, tignan mo yung labas dito. So, meron kang malawakang space dito, pwede mong gawing dirty kitchen to or service area. And at the same time, pwede mo pang extend ang iyong kitchen dito. Ayan, malawak yan. Hanggang dito yung property mo. And then, nandito yung parking mo. So, yan, ganyan siya kalaki. Pwede mo siya extend. Kung gusto mo ng balcony, pwedeng-pwede. And then, tara, tingnan natin yung second floor. Ayan, so nandito tayo sa second floor. Meron tayo dito again ang ating toilet and bath. So this is the common toilet and bath sa ating second floor. And then we have our third bedroom here. Yan. Yan, so malaki yan. Perfect dito kasi up to 3 bedrooms, kasyang-kasya. But then, dahil nga pwede mong i-extend yung property mo, pwede mong dagdagan yung mga bedrooms or kung gusto mong mas malalaki yung bedrooms. So this is the third bedroom yan, kasyang sa bedroom and then mga cabinets dyan. And then this is the second bedroom. Ayan, so malaki siya, di ba? Perfect to kung meron kayong growing families, kung meron kayong mga kids, or kung may parents kayong kasama sa bahay, pwedeng-pwede. And then, this is our master's bedroom. Yan, nakikita nyo naman, malawak yung space niya. Pwede kayo maglagay ng bed dito, then cabinets, then yan, pwede kayo maglagay ng television dyan. And nakikita nyo naman dito, ito yung view niya. So, lahat dito naka-sliding window na, no? Ang sarap ng view dito. And at the same time, pwede kayo maglagay ng balcony. Let's say, for example, gusto nyo gawing extended pa yung second floor nyo para madagdagan nyo yung bedrooms or mas malaki yung master's bedroom, pwedeng-pwede. So sa mga interested dyan, again, itong Linea model natin na located po yan sa Naik, Cavite, General Trias, Cavite, meron din tayo sa Batangas and Porac, Pampanga for as low as 15,000 monthly depending on the location. So if this is available through Pag-ibig Financing, we also have this in bank and deferred financing depending on the location. So sa mga interested, i-message nyo na ako dyan. I have here my contact. This is my Viber and WhatsApp. And then follow nyo na ako sa aking social media pages. Hanapin nyo lang The Millennial Ninong. Ayan, and I'll see you soon. Free treating tayo every day. Salamat!